Welcome to another video on my driving robot Mydfir. I want to do yet another series of tests based on color, which involve the lamps and the buzzer. Lamps for one side, the buzzer for the other side, and left and right are one side and the other side. But first of all, I want to see if everything actually does work. So let me shift this to one side and this to the other. Open the interface, and I want this one, Robo interface over the RF data link. This is the RF data link obviously, and this is the Robo interface. Let me correctly use distance mode, which are D1 and D2 or D1 and D2, whichever they are. And okay. Input 3, 1 and 4. Yeah, those are these two. And the whole point is, this is the line sensor. So when I take one off or out, which isn't easy, what happens? Okay, that is one thing, and I put it in here. It says 5. Alright, so the interface signals it correctly. That's one thing. However, it should detect some kind of a line, and either white or black. So I am taking some kind of white sheet, put it under, and then it really obviously should detect some white. So let me put some white and take the white away. This should be a difference. It obviously does not make a difference, so this is not good. But then again, it's a confirmation of what we already knew. Then next, sonar D1 and D2. Well, put my hand in front of the sonar and this sonar. Well, this is obviously D2. Then this must be D1, and now it responds nicely. Alright, so closest it does detect is indeed 2 centimeters, but there is anyway, that does work. For the lights, that's a little bit of a different story. Because I need colors, and those colors are on the Explorer map, which I have to yet lay on the ground. Or can we cheat? Let me try to actually cheat something. So I am going right now. I am cheating a little bit with one of the sensors, A1 and A2, and that is, let me take it away. Alright, that's a very different color, and this is A2 is 2. Alright, so which one is which? Well, right now it's A1 that is adjusting. So let me use this, the diagnostics, to actually make it a difference. I think that is a nice way to continue with this. Not using my own diagnosis program, but this the diagnosis interface, and see whatever then happens with A1 and A2. That's a good one. As you can see, the floor test is set up, and if I look here, it is on A1 between 32 and 34, something like that. On the other hand, A2 is at 88. So a big question is, why is this happening? I would expect that colors are the same. Obviously they are not. What can I do about it? Actually not much, because there's daylight, four light sources, two identical, no, not two identical, because even bulbs of the same model and same type, etc., same manufacturer, should not be regarded as the same light source. So 4 light sources. So A1 says in a range 32-34, and whatever A2 is, can't really distinguish it actually. Let's say 88, 86, 88, something like that. So let me move to blue. Alright, what's that? Then I get, is that a 3-digit? Yes, it is a 3-digit. 130, 132, and about 176, 177, or something like that. So then, let's move to green, see whatever that means. So now we're looking at 48. So this is 46 to 48, and the other one is 135, 136. The question is, they all work, that may be clear, but when I use a diagnostics program, my own calibration program, will it show exactly the same? That's a very good question. So let's close this interface. Move it, and Run it. Well, at least A1 says green and A2 says 136, so that was an adequate thing. That is very adequate. So let's then go here. I am talking green, and that is indeed 76. Well, okay, here I say 52. Let's keep it that way, I don't mind. Then A2 is right over here, and then I have to go to is 46 and 52. No, that should be well, I can also say, okay, wait, the calibration data file, see, 136 for green. So let's say 135 and 138, just to be sure. So if I save it now and run the program and run the sonar program, something should be visible, a green light and some audible from the buzzer. No. Well, I don't know if you hear it through the microphone, but I clearly hear a buzzer. But do I see a light? I do not see a light. But I'll hold the microphone to the buzzer. And then I did see a green light flashing. So I think that's okay. Alright, one step beyond. The robot has been relocated to red. So let's see whatever Diagnose interface tells about that. Oh wait, I already did. That should be, if it is consistent. Well, distance mode I don't care about for now. So that should be 3234. Yeah, about that. And A2 should be 86. Okay, 88. Yeah, that's consistent as well. So going at red, the red color, that should be then 86 to 88. then going to A1, red here, 32, 34. Well, let's take 36, I don't mind. So this should give a very nice result in here. But does it? Alright. $48. Wait. A1 says green 48. Really? Or wait. Am I messing this up? I should have 32. Do I have 32? No, pattern not found. Right, I go to the bottom end of the file, hopefully. Something not quite right. Here it says 48. Well, that is with the green. So where does it go to 32? Oh, that was calibration. Wait a minute, I'm running the sonar. Oops. So that's called data. Alright, so color 2 says blue. Clearly blue. However, color 1 says different. Did I make a mistake there? No, because different is just different. So this I don't get totally. Am I making a mistake here? No, because this is red and this is 32. So right, that's an interesting thing. Let me engage this again. How do you read? How do you read this color? A1. How do you read A1? It's 36, 35, 32, whatever. Right, let me broaden the let me do that and maybe lower to this. Do it again. I see a clear red color now. A very clear red color. Yes, so at least one is working. Alright, that's good. And oh, this is not really what I expected. Red, different, and blue. What did I do with blue? Oh wait, that is the other one. Blue should be. Oh no, I'm on red. I'm on red. Hold on. This one. Yeah, right. This is the wrong one. No, red is right. 86 to 88. So let me change this a little bit to 84 and 89. I don't mind. So let's run again and watch it at the yeah, right. That was the trick. That was the clear trick. Yes. So I just simply misread the digit displayed here. So let me run it again and hold the microphone to the buzzer so you can hear. And the red light is clearly showing. So now this is correct. Still remains the question for me, why are A1 and A2 so very different? Because that doesn't make any sense to me. A color is a color. Well, then the sensor is off. Oops. So time for blue, and that should be for A1 130 132 something, and for A2 blue would be 176 and 177, and then it's just hopefully that I read the digitals on the Diagnose interface correctly, because now I know with red I didn't. So let's see whatever happens. Okay, that's not good. No, yeah, alright. Or is it? That's not good. The blue light is okay. Well, that, how is that possible? Something's off here, because it's color 1 is different, and yet I did see the blue light, and color 2 should be the buzzer, and that says blue. Alright, so let's take the diagnosis once again. Yeah, this one, go. How do I interpret this one? A1 132, yeah, right, and the other one is over 200 now. This one over 200. Okay, that's weird. So 201, 201. So between 197 and even 202. Alright, but A1. That is a steady something. Alright, let's keep it to this, because this value is totally different than I had. It used to be 175 around, so this is very different. How can that be? So I need blue to be not any longer this one, but 197 to 202. Right. So do I see light? Absolutely the buzzer. No doubt about it. I'll show you. Okay, that just stopped. Oh, really? It responded to the sonar. Really? Okay. I didn't really expect that to happen. Okay. Nice but unexpected. Yeah, let me put it back in its place. Alright. Play it again. Well, the red flash is sonar. But still there's something wrong, because here it says different. So this is not no, wait, this is A2. This is not correct for whatever reason. Otherwise the lamp would have gone. This is good, blue. So the buzzer goes. Alright, let's run the calibration then. $128. It says 128. A1. Okay. Let's make it 127. I don't care. So, camera, command, action. Yeah, 128. Now it's correct. I see a rather faint blue light. Maybe I should enhance that. Blue lights. Yeah, alright. Let me put that to 7. That's a nice one. Set output to 7 and oh, here's 8. I don't mind. Let's keep it. No, it's maximum. Its maximum is 7, not 8. Alright. So let's run it again. So, for the last part of this video, let's run something. What's going on? Alright, oh wait, I understand, I get it. Yeah, I did something completely wrong, wait. Yeah. Yeah, that is the problem. This was 128 and I did something wrong, because this is the output and I should say, for example, Strength 6, not output 6. This should be better. Oops. Again, color is different. So what is it now? Calibration 128 for A1. Once again 128. Again, it doesn't show A2, but anyway, blue is 120. Oh, larger than. Wait. That's a good one. So let's make it 125. Yes. If this is 128, this should not be 128. So play it again. And now you see a bright light. And a very bright light. Yes. And alright. So now all three colors work. The point is, will they keep working in this with these settings? Clear answer, no, they will not. Because these are the colors, the color values with these lights. Any other light source, any other light value has to be recalibrated. But in this setting, yes, it works. What does not work? Well, the sonar unexpectedly started working. What does not work is, and still is, the line sensor. I have to replace that. Well, assuming it is the line sensor, but that's for another time. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video and my other videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Please see my website for more information. Also, please donate to keep my blog and website running. More information on my website as well. And this is to be continued. Bye bye.